The Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, December 14th. I'm James Spann. As expected, we have rain to start the day. The rain will be moving out. Still mild this week, cold air for the weekend. But what about Christmas? All right, let's check it out. Very deep upper low. Situated northwest of the state this morning near Wichita, Kansas. Very dynamic system. And if we were to have unstable air, we would have had severe weather last night. But as expected, the air was not unstable. No thunder, no lightning. No severe weather. Sure, we had gusty winds with a pressure gradient, but that was not related to the showers. That was a radar early this morning at 4:50. You can see the leading edge of the showers approaching Anniston and Alexander City and Lake Martin. Just a big old rain mass on the western side of the state. That rain will be ending from west to east during the late morning hours. Starting off the day mostly in the 50s where the rain is falling. Now ahead of the rain, it's 68 in Anniston and Montgomery. But they'll come down once that rain begins. But the really cold air is in the western part of the United States, and it's going to stay there this week. We'll be relatively mild this week. We'll be in the 60s today and then flirting with 70 tomorrow and Wednesday afternoon. But look out for a pretty good cool down by Friday and the weekend. In the western states, a number of winter storm warnings. Big snows for Montana, Wyoming, Utah, the mountains there. Winter storm watches in effect for parts of Nebraska, the Dakotas, and Minnesota. And if you're looking for snow this Christmas, the western states, that's the place to be. Convective outlook today, no severe weather across the country. And this is the rain for the next 5 days. Understand this counts the rain that we have this morning and the rain we get with the next system Wednesday night and early Thursday. The amounts for northwest Alabama, not much at all, under a quarter of an inch. Heavier totals as you work your way south and east. But everybody wants to know about weather for Christmas, so I think we've got a pretty good grasp on it. Here we go. This is the GFS. The 06Z run valid today at noon. You can see two distinct waves. The one that brought the rain this morning is passing north of the state. The next one is out west. Very deep and cold system there. At the surface, a 985 millibar low is located northeast of Des Moines, with a trailing front. And again, the rain will be ending from west to east later this morning. And the sky should begin to clear this afternoon with the sun coming out brightly, I'd say. In fact, many spots should be in sun by the lunch hour. And highs today in the mid-60s in most spots. Tomorrow, a beautiful day. We start the day in the middle 40s, but we warm up very nicely. Both the NAM and the GFS have us in the upper 60s tomorrow. Wednesday, we'll call it partly sunny, and again, the day will be mild with upper 60s likely. Some spots may be touching 70, but the next system is off to the west. A front is trailing that deep surface low that's over the Wisconsin-Minnesota border. That will bring snow up north, but the moisture is really limited. This system is just kind of sweeping everything out, so rain will not be heavy with this. And then Wednesday night, this is Wednesday night at midnight, the front comes through with a good batch of rain and showers. No severe weather, probably no thunder, but a good chance we get rain Wednesday night. This is Thursday at midday. The rain is gone, so clearly our best chance of rain with that next feature will be Wednesday night into the pre-dawn hours Thursday. The sky will clear Thursday, and the weather turns cooler finally. The air coming across the snowfield, I think highs will drop into the 50s. And this is Friday. Friday morning will be cold. I'd say lows between 30 and 35. The daytime high will be in the middle 50s, and that's a day with below average temperatures in contrast to the recent warmth. Saturday, a 1033 millibar high is right on top of us. That'll be cold. We'll expect a freeze with a low close to 30 and the high maybe upper 40s in many spots. Bright and sunny. And if you're looking for a Christmas feel, there you go. Sunday morning is going to be cold. The GFS is printing 27. For Birmingham, some of the colder pockets could see low 20s, and then the high Sunday afternoon, low 50s. And again, that's below average. We should be in the mid-50s in late December. And Monday of next week, we kick off the week of Christmas. The next wave is off to the west, and you can see that we start to see return moisture. We'll probably rise up to near 60. Rain is off to the west, and this is the next day, Tuesday the 22nd. Evidence of a pretty good little rain event here. Deep surface low is over Detroit. Again, I don't think that's a severe weather look, but a good chance it will rain in the days there before Christmas. And this is the end of the forecast period Wednesday of next week, December 23rd. Very deep cold trough in the west. That's the deal. If you want the cold snow, you go west. And look at the ridge over the northeast United States. And again, if this is right, we might still have some rain Wednesday of next week. So right before Christmas, it looks like a decent chance it will be breezy with showers. And then Christmas Day. Now, this is off the ensembles, all right? So this is the mean of a number of different ensemble members. And clearly, we will be above average with temperatures here. If you're looking for a cold, snowy Christmas, again, west. That's the word. The east, the entire eastern half of the nation should be relatively warm. Look at the numbers off the ensembles, and you can see if this verifies on December 25th, we will see a high close to 70 on Christmas Day. We've had a lot of those over the years. Understand this is a low-latitude state. We've had cold Christmases. We've had warm ones. And where we are down here in the Deep South, we tend to have more mild and warm ones than cold ones. And then we back off a little bit for that following weekend, but not by much. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.